Hi friends, welcome to the Tabla Lesson tutorial. We are in the series of learning Roopak Taal. So we have our next variation of Roopak Taal, which is very interesting and enjoying. Let's dive into the Roopak Taal new variation. The goal of new variation is in TuNake di na na di na na di na na di na Let's look at little slower to get better understanding. One by one, letter of tabla. Tin, 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 TuNake Tirakit. Tin, TuNake Tirakit. Di, nana, DhiDhi, nan. Tin, TuNake Tirakit. Di, nana, DhiDhi, nan. TuNake Tirakit. Di, nana, DhiDhi, nan. Tin, TuNake Tirakit. Di, nana, DhiDhi, nan. TuNake Tirakit. Di, di, nan. Tin, TuNake Tirakit. Di, nana, di, nana. Tin, TuNake Tirakit. Tin, TuNake Tirakit. Di, nana, di, nana. Or you can only do tin, TuNake Tirakit. Di, nana, di, nana. TuNake, TuNake Tirakita. TuNake Tirakita. Di, nana, di, nana. Hope you get it, this variation. In this variation, we only learn here the variation of Roopak Taal. So next video we'll meet with the next lesson. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and whatever your feedback is about the video or whatever you want to learn in tabla, please keep commenting. I'll be going through your comments and made video accordingly. Thanks for watching Tabla Lesson tutorial. We'll meet in the next video with the next new lesson.